All right, what's the best way to break this one apart? Sides out. So I start out with my cutters, actually. I think this was handmade. All right, and ruby number one. I'm gonna get a separate container for the rubies. Diamond number one. Just push the prong back and see if that might be enough. Sometimes it is. Yeah. Genius way to set that. They literally cut underneath and into that prong. These are, I can't wait to get these washed off. And oh, piece of white gold broke off. I'm just going to set that up with the rubies for now. I'm going to have to take a good hard look at those rubies, because if those are heat only, they're worth as much as the diamonds. Or, well, maybe not as much as the diamonds, but they're worth quite a bit. Sometimes gunk will hold them in place a little more. And these have got to be at least SI1. You want to be very soft with your cutters, by the way, because put too much pressure on your diamond and it'll break your cutters and possibly break the diamond too. I would need to get a faceting machine. Those would be, those look like they'd be top grade if I was able to repolish them. And I absolutely would be willing to repolish those. Oh, and there's an inclusion. Definitely. It's always nice too when the ring you're getting isn't set in some stupidly complex way. Definitely handmade. I respect that. And now for this diamond on top that has 8 prongs. First, I've got the rubies. I do want to know what the weight of the center one is first and foremost. 30. There's no way that's only 0.25. Apparently it is. I might have been way off then. That's more like it. 1.8, 0.75. I was off by quite a bit.